Hi everyone, my name is Kaminis. Today I am going to tell you about the monkeys and the Capseller. Once a Capseller was going to a city to sell his cats. He had to pass through a forest on his way. The Capseller had been walking many days and felt really tired. I need some rest, he thought to himself and yawned loudly. The Capseller sat down under a huge tree. He was very busy in the jungle. Feeling tired, he fell asleep. The poor Capseller did not see the many naughty monkeys hanging on the branches of the tree above him. As the Capseller in deep sleep, the monkeys came down from the tree. What is this inside this funnel? One monkey naughtily told another. I have no idea. Let's open it and look inside. The monkeys opened the bundle, took off his head, and climbed up the tree again. And then the Capseller woke up. He got a biggest shock of his life. His caps were missing. The Capseller looked up and scratched his head. He saw all monkeys with his caps. The Capseller thought and thought, and he knew the monkeys love to follow our actions. The smart Capseller took off his head and threw it in ground in anger. And guess what? The monkeys did the same. And the Capseller quickly picked up all of his head and escaped from the jungle. So parents, what do we learn from this story? Wisdom is better than weapons. Thank you.